In this video, I want to help you understand the stimulus check. How much should you receive? How will it be calculated? And who is eligible? The amount of your stimulus check will be based on the income, the filing status, and the number of children under 17 years old reported on your 2019 tax return. Or, if you have not yet filed your 2019 tax return, the government may allow you to base your stimulus check off of your 2018 tax return. It doesn't matter if you owe any back taxes or if you owe unpaid taxes on your 2018 or 2019 tax return that you just filed. The stimulus check will not offset any taxes due, and it also will not be taxable income. So first, get your tax return filed. It is very important that you get your tax return filed because you will not receive a stimulus check if you did not file your tax return. Even if you did not have a minimum filing requirement to file, you will still need to file your return in order to receive a stimulus check. Second, let's talk about the calculation of your stimulus check and how your AGI factors in. In my explanation, I'm using the term AGI, which stands for Adjusted Gross Income, and it's listed clearly as your adjusted gross income on either your 2018 or 2019 tax return. So here's the calculation. You will receive $500 for each qualifying child under the age of 17 if your AGI is below the income threshold for your filing status. Plus, if you file your tax return married filing jointly and your AGI is below the income threshold, you will receive $2,400. Or if you file your tax return single or head of household and your AGI is below the income threshold, you will receive $1,200. I'll explain what the specific income thresholds are next. The income threshold is $75,000 per year for single filers, $112,500 for head of household filers per year, and $150,000 per year for married filing joint filers. What that means is you will receive the full amount of your stimulus check for your filing status and number of children if you are below the income threshold, or in other words, filing single with an AGI below $75,000 per year, filing head of household with an AGI below $112,500 per year, or filing married filing jointly with an AGI below $150,000 per year. Once you go above the income threshold, there is a phase-out range. The formula for the phase-out range is as follows. Your stimulus check will be reduced by $50 for each $1,000 earned above that AGI income threshold, and it will be phased out completely at the top end, including any amounts for children. The phase-out ranges for AGI are as follows. For single filers, the phase-out is between $75,000 to $99,000. For head of household, $112,500 to $146,500. And for married filing jointly, $150,000 to $198,000 per year. Finally, I want to make sure you know that senior citizens who only receive Social Security income will also be sent stimulus checks so long as their adjusted gross income falls below the AGI thresholds I just described. However, please note, there are many senior citizens who are not required to file a tax return, but to get a stimulus check, they may be required to file now in order to get that check. This is based on guidance from the IRS just this week, in which they stated specifically, some seniors and others who typically do not file returns will need to submit a simple tax return to receive the stimulus payment. There may be more legislation to follow, but for now, please hunker down, stay home, support small businesses from a distance, and pray for those going into the healthcare battlefield each day. Do your part, stay home, get your check. We are working remotely at Polston Tax, and you're welcome to contact us if you need help getting an SBA economic injury disaster loan or a Paycheck Protection Program loan. We're helping hundreds of clients get the money before it runs out. If you found this video to be helpful, please like, comment, and share to help others as well.